How to sign out Netflix on your phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign out of your Netflix account on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to sign out of Netflix on your phone, you can simply open up the Netflix app, and here you can actually see, if I just go ahead and then log into my account, how do I log on, because maybe you want to switch your account or do something else like that. So once you open the Netflix app, tap on the My Netflix option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then after that, just tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side. Then right here under all these options, one of the options you'll find there is also a sign out option, so you can actually tap the sign out button there in order to sign out of your Netflix account. This way you'll be able to sign out Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.